Hi there! Want to learn how to make a trifold template with InDesign? In this tutorial, we will be creating this trifold brochure. We'll be using assets from Envato Elements. Speaking of Envato Elements, it's a great service for finding InDesign brochure templates. There are so many templates you can download right now. They're easy to customize, and with unlimited downloads, you can try them all for one low price. Check out the description for more information. For the purposes of our project, we'll be using a variety of assets from Envato Elements. The description has links to all of the assets we're using. Now let's get started. First, we'll set up our InDesign document. Open up InDesign and go to File, New, Document. Set the units to millimeters, width to 94.13, height to 215.9, uncheck facing pages, and set the pages to 6, margins to 10, and bleeds to 3. Click Create. Open up the Pages panel by going to Window, Pages. Right-click on a master and go to New Master. Make sure Based on Master is set to Master. Set the width to 91.13. Click OK. Right-click on B Master and select Apply Master. Enter pages 1 to 6, then click OK. In this window, go ahead and click Use Master Page Size. Pages 1 to 3 will be the outside spread, and pages 4 to 6 will be the inside spread. Make sure the Allow Document Pages to Shuffle is unchecked. Drag page 2 towards page 1, then combine pages 1 to 3 as one spread, and pages 4 to 6. To exit Master Pages mode, double-click on the Regular Pages thumbnail. On the Layers panel, create 2 layers. Name one Images and the second layer Copy. We will be using rulers for this tutorial, so press Command-R to bring them up. Go to Layout, Create Guides. Set the rows number to 3, and the gutter to 0. Under the options, set Fit Guides to Page, then click OK. Repeat this step on the second spread. Use W to enter and exit preview mode. Now let's place some images. On pages 1 to 3, set up frames like this. Make sure to extend your frames all the way to the bleed. Select the full page rectangle, and then go to File, Place. Place this image in and adjust until you're satisfied. Using the same process, add these images to the other frames. Now let's add an overlay color. Use the Rectangle tool to create rectangles over each image. Select a deep purple color. Now go to Window, Effects. Select the rectangle on page 1, then select Multiply from the drop-down menu and set the opacity to 90%. Set the blend mode to color for the other images. Now create a yellow background for these pages. Now let's place a logo onto the spread. We'll place 2 different logos here. Now let's work on pages 4 to 6. Draw a rectangle at the top of the page in a yellow color. Use the Add Anchor tool to add an anchor. Then use the Direct Selection tool and move up the point like this. Now create 2 more rectangles, one that covers the first 2 pages, then one that's on the 3rd page. Adjust the corners where they connect with the Direct Selection tool. Let's go ahead and place photos in these rectangles like we did previously. Now use the Effect Color to add a purple tint. Now that we have our layout and images finished, let's go ahead and move on to the text. Let's add a style for the headlines and paragraphs. Go to Windows, Styles, Paragraph Style. Select the New Paragraph Style option from the main menu. Select these settings for the paragraph style and name it Headline. Now repeat the process and make another style with these settings and name it Body Copy. Now place some text down onto the brochure using the styles we just created. Use the text tool to create a box, then copy your text into the document. Apply the appropriate paragraph styles for each of the header and the body text. Continue this process of adding text and adding final touches to your brochure. You might find that you deviate here when it comes to how you want to display your text. Add some final touches and there you have it. So now you know how to create a trifold brochure with InDesign. Remember, if you're looking for assets from Envato Elements or templates, you can find links to all of this content in the description. Please consider giving it a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching!